guys, Miss Charlie here with the Boxycharm for October 2019. I did see some sneak peeks for this and was kind of excited, and then I got my box and then I was a little more disappointed, but there's some new things coming from Boxycharm which will maybe help me personally in the future, because I guess you're going to be able to choose what you get in your box. You have the opportunity to do that, different variations, so that's good. But we'll get into that in just a moment, and let's see what's in this month's box. For some reason I did not get a card in my box this month. I don't know why, but I had to pull it up on my phone so that I can see, you know, how much these things cost, so I do apologize. But first we're going to start off with these masks from Crown Industries. I guess you could get either the 24 karat gold or the bamboo charcoal. I love masks. I mask every other day, so these come in handy. I have lots of masks, different kind, charcoal masks, sheet masks, because I mask every other day. Religious about that. These are $19.98. It doesn't say if they're $19.98 a piece or if they come in a pack or anything like that. It just says that they are $19.98. Let me see what other information it might give me here. It just says, give your skin what it craves with these easy to use sheet masks. Each and every mask contains skin-loving ingredients packed inside. So many options, everyone can use one. So this one says it benefits of bamboo charcoal, tightens pores, reduces inflammation, removes dirt and oils, and brightens complexion. So, and you just have to put it on for 10 minutes. And, you know, that's what I usually do. I come home from work, I unwind, I wash my face, I put my mask on, do anything else, and then, you know, the time goes by, or you can just relax. But I'm glad we got these two masks from it says Crown, does it say Crown Industries. Next I have this Melo tinted brow gel, and this is in the color light brown. This retails for $16. This is way too light for me. This is gonna go in a giveaway. That's way too light for my brows. And this says, to achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows with Melo's Tinted Brow Gel, a lightweight non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator. I don't know about that being mini. Allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed brow with no mess. Perfect to use over pencil or powder. That's not mini. That's like the size of a regular mascara. That's not mini. But this will go in a giveaway because this is way too light for me. And again, this is $16, and this is from Melo. Next, I have this Hank & Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. We got the Hank & Henry pen. I don't even know what I did with it. It's over here with my pens. The eyeliner pen, I really like that for cleaning up your wing and also drawing, because it's a brush tip. This is the Mascara Duo, and this is $19 retail. This one says Slick With It Mascara Duo in Clout. Slick With It mascara will have you feeling like you have major clout. This vegan mascara is not only waterproof, but it does not flake or transfer. The dual wand applicator is designed to work with our formula for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other is thin and designed to easily add mascara to your lower lashes. And I really like this brush for top and bottom lashes. I'm trying to open this without opening the other side is difficult. Woo! Falling everywhere. And here's the really tiny brush for lower lashes. Kind of reminds me of the It Cosmetics one, or the one from Wet n Wild. but I will use this. I will put this in my rotation. I'm already using some mascaras right now. I use them for 3 months and then rotate out, but this will be in the rotation coming up soon, and this is from Hank and Henry. Next is this Prep Set and Glow from Iconic London, and this is very, very pretty. This one is in, it doesn't say which shade it is, it just says Water Mist Original. They come in two different colors. One's a deeper one, this is the lighter one. These are $29 each. It says a Prep Set and Glow is a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with Iconic's glow. This stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. It smells really good. You can't see it here, but it does have sparkle in it. I don't know if it's gonna reflect a little bit. I used this as a prep and it didn't really put any sparkle in my face. Used it, you know, before I put on my makeup. Like I would do my Mario Badescu, I put it on first. But when I went to set my powder, I looked like a disco ball, which was fine. But it's when you put it on as a set, it's very reflective. It's got little pieces of glitter in it. I would put it under your makeup to give you a little bit of illumination if you don't want to look like, you know, the disco ball. But I like it. It smells good. It didn't interfere with my makeup or anything like that. I can spray this on your body as well. But it also says that it has extracts of cucumber and chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, vitamin E. It's 100% vegan and it helps to condition the skin, combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. That's kind of odd that they just threw in the look of dark circles. This is not going to reduce the look of dark circles. If anything, it's going to bring attention to them because this has a little bit of a glitter in it, and you can see it as she moves around. I'm going to insert a picture here of what it looks like when it's settled to the bottom. It's very clear, of course, and then when you shake it up, of course, it's going to look like this. It's very pretty to watch. It's very satisfying. It's like one of those oddly satisfying videos. This is very satisfying to watch this move around. But this is the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow. And the last thing I got was the Pretty Cool Dose of Colors palette. I saw someone get the burgundy one, and I was like, oh, that's pretty nice. I might be able to use that. This is the cool tone one. I do wear cool tones, but I have plenty. I don't need any more. And these kind of disappointed me because I looked at the back and they look very, very, they look more pigmented on the back. They almost have like a greeny undertone. Some of these have like a greeny undertone, which is great for the fall. This looked really dark and pretty. And then when I open it up, this is what she looks like. Very reflective. You open it up, and this is what it looks like. Show me where those look alike, because I don't see it. I don't see it at all. Even, you know, turning it this way. Because this is taupeless. Let me see what's this. This is taupeless. Nope. Not at all. Don't look the same at all. This looks greeny, like a greeny brown. That doesn't look like a greeny brown. And I'm not going to swatch them because I'm going to put this in a giveaway. So if you like these cool tones, you will like it. It comes with a nice little brush in here that has a nice, it's kind of flimsy, but you can use this to blend out the crease really nicely, precisely. And then it has a nice precise brush. You can use this for smudging on the bottom or even in the crease to define. But I will not be using this. I won't even swatch it. It's gonna go in the giveaway, so stay tuned for that at the end of this video. So this is the Dose of Color Pretty Cool palette, and this retails for $32. Okay, so these are the items that I received in my October 2019 Boxycharm. I'm happy with excuse me, a few items. The Prep Set and Glow, the masks, the mascara. The other 2 items will be going into a giveaway. But let me know what you received. I will put in the description box more information regarding the new thing that they have going on where you'll be able to pick your items, which is very nice, since I didn't get a card in with my Boxycharm this time, but I'll put all the information below. Also check out boxycharm.com for more information. I will link it below if you would like to try it out. It's about $22 per month for the box, or you can also sign up for BoxyLuxe, which is a bigger box. It's a little bit more. You get more products, and I believe the value is almost like $275 for the BoxyLuxe. I'll put the total for these here on the screen, which is still a good value, $22 per month. You're getting over $100 worth of products. Let me know what you got in yours, and I thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for the fall giveaway. Okay, so these are the items that you will receive in my upcoming fall giveaway. I just spoke about these 2 items, the Melo Tinted Brow Gel and the Pretty Cool palette from Dose of Color. So you've already seen those, so we're gonna go ahead and talk about the other 5 items that you will receive in this giveaway. You will get these pair of House of Lashes lashes in the style Heartbreaker. I do not wear lashes, so these will be passed on. Obviously, they're very big, very fluttery, they're very pretty. They look like feathers. I like how they crisscross. These would be great for the upcoming holiday season. You can give these as a gift to someone who wears lashes, or wear them yourself. But this is one thing you'll receive in my fall giveaway, these Heartbreaker lashes from House of Lashes. You will also receive this brush from Morphe. This is the Morphe R7. It's a synthetic brush. You can use this for contour, for powder, for blush, whatever you think you may need it for. It's very soft, never used, of course. All of these items are new. And you will receive this brush. Also the Morphe E41, which is a great brush also for bronzer, powder. This is a very soft natural bristle brush, very soft, rounded, so it'll be great for bronzer, or again powder. You can use it for whatever you like. You'll receive this brush. Also the R33 brush. This is a nice, almost pencil-like brush that you can use for smudging or in the crease with eyeshadow. And you will get the Morphe R42, which is a flat shader-like brush that you can use for packing on shadow, or you can use it as a cut crease brush if you wanted to. Okay, so these are the items that you will receive in my fall giveaway. All of the rules will be listed below and also on my Instagram. It will run from October 21st to October 25th, and the winner will be announced on October 26th. So check the description box for all the details. You must follow all the rules or you will not be entered. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you and good luck.